Hello, my name is Manish. I'm the founder of ToonSafari.com. ToonSafari basically emerged with the idea to cater the needs of toons and comics lovers within India for character merchandise. As of now, the character merchandise is in the growth phase, and the current market value of character merchandise within India is around $2.5 billion. Many e-commerce sites are providing character merchandise, but there is hardly any differentiation. By differentiation, I mean same limited product range is made available to the customer. So they have to satisfy themselves with the very limited options that is made available to them. As of now, there is no dedicated e-commerce site for character merchandise in India. We in ToonSafari are trying to serve this growing market segment. We aim to provide each and every product range that is available to toon and comic lovers. Currently, most of the e-commerce sites are basically fighting for the same set of customers in character merchandise. That includes parents of kids of around 3 to 10 years of age. And hardly any preference is given to the other customer group. That includes teenagers as well as adults. We in ToonSafari are basically trying to create a brand which will be identified as a one-stop destination for character merchandise. It might be some parent who is looking to buy something very special for their children. Might be some teenager who is just looking for an action figure for his collectible. Or it might be some adult who is looking to flaunt his attitude in form of a t-shirt of his favorite character. So basically they are going to get each and everything out there at one destination in form of ToonSafari.com. Operation of ToonSafari.com has already started with its base in Delhi. We have served each and every state of India as of now except a few of Northeast. The average order size of ToonSafari.com is around rupees 1300. The increase in sale, we will get more margin from our dealers along with that better deal from our courier company, which will reflect in the operational margin as well, and thus the profit. There are certain things that require immediate attention to move ahead with our expansion plans, which need both financial as well as logical assistance. Immediate action that are required by us in order to move ahead are information technology and web designing. We are trying to make our system more efficient in terms of appearance, functionality, and browsing from customer point of view. Logistics. Currently we have got two logistic partners with us, Quantum Solutions and FedEx. We are going to increase that number as well in order to improve our deliverability at expansion. Currently we have got around 600 products on our site. We are looking to increase that number to around 3000 in the coming year. As of now, the customer experience has been quite enthusiastic, and we think that with the proper financial and logical assistance, we can really move ahead and achieve the desired result in the future. Thank you very much.